and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a 100% honest review on Glitterbug slimes. They sent me 3 different types of slimes and each was super securely packed and bubble wrapped. As extra, she included some clay and paint. The first slime I'll be reviewing is called Strawberry Salsa, and this was a butter slime. It was swirled pink and white, and I think it got a little bit mixed up in the package, and at the bottom had some cute pink glitter. This slime was amazing. Words cannot describe how this butter slime felt. It honestly felt like a Daiso slime. This was definitely my favorite she sent me out of all 3, and if you're purchasing from her, I definitely recommend to get this one. The next one I'll be reviewing is called Twilight Blue, and this was a basic slime. It was layered with a few different colors, which I found really cute. This slime was super clicky and had amazing bubble pops. This next slime is called Strawberry Fizz. It was an icing slime, and it had some flower female slices and some foam balls. This was a really nice sizzly icing slime, and all of the slimes came unscented, but they did have a very nice pleasant lotion smell to it. These slimes did arrive slightly sticky, so I had to use my own activator, but that was okay, so I just recommend in the future you provide some borax. Thank you so much for sending this amazing package, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!